guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're most definitely welcome. Don't forget to click on the subscription button before you leave it, and also make sure you click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, you'll be notified. Like, you have to subscribe to me. So in this video, I will be reviewing this hair that was sent to me by Sassina Hair. This is their Kinky Coily texture hair, 18 inches in natural color black. So you'll see later in the video that I show the pack and then the gifts that was inside the pack. You see all of that in that video. It literally took me 30 minutes to finish this whole hair, so like, it saves time in case you are going to school, you are going to church, you are going for a wedding. This style is great for you. So with that being said, I'll leave every information you need to know about this hair in the description section down below. Make sure you check it out. Also, there will be a 10% discount code in the description section down below. In case you want to purchase this hair, you can use that to save some money. With that being said, make sure you follow Sassina Hair on Instagram. Make sure you follow me on Instagram as well at 2_Maame Abena 2_. Make sure you thumbs up this video if you found it helpful, and I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Stay blessed. So I received some hair from Sassina Hair, and it's the Kinky Coily texture hair, 18 inches. This is how the hair came in the pack. This is the original curl pattern of the hair, not washed nor anything. This is how the hair looked like, and then this is how the hair turned out after I washed the hair. So with these two, you could see the difference. This side is not washed, and then this side is washed. There's a big difference. I'm gonna start from the back. Making sure that the clips are opened like this. I'm gonna slide it right through the hair to secure it. Now I'll be using my Gorilla Snub Knot to sleek down my hair.